In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set price alerts at key levels in TradingView. By the end, you'll confidently add alerts at precise prices and important technical levels using the built-in tools, so you get notified exactly when the market reaches your chosen points. First, use the top toolbar button. On your chart, move to the top bar and click the clock icon labeled Alerts. This opens the Alert dialog box. On screen, you'll see options to define the alert. This is where you confirm the price level and the condition you want to monitor. Keep your chart visible behind the dialog so you can reference the exact area you care about while you set the alert. Once that's done in the dialog, your alert is ready. Next, use the right-click menu directly on the chart. Move your cursor to the exact price level you want to monitor. You can hover over the candle, wick, or a specific spot on the chart background. Right-click at that precise location, then select Add Alert. TradingView will use that price as the trigger level. This method is fast and helps you avoid typing the price manually, especially when you're locking in an exact key level. Now, add an alert from the price scale. Look at the vertical price axis on the right side of your chart. You'll see a blue plus button next to the current price. Click that blue plus button. This places an alert at the live price shown on the scale. It's useful when you want to be notified if price returns to or crosses the current market level without having to point and right-click on the chart itself. From here, create alerts off your drawing tools so they follow your technical levels. If you already have a horizontal line, a trend line, or Fibonacci levels on your chart, move your cursor over the specific drawing you want to monitor. Right-click that drawing and select Add Alert. TradingView ties the alert to that exact technical level. For a trend line, this means the alert will respect the line's slope. For a horizontal line or a Fibonacci level, it will trigger when price touches that defined level. This is a reliable way to keep alerts aligned with the levels you're actively using in your analysis. At this point, use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer to work without your mouse. Press Alt+A on Windows or Option+A on Mac. This opens the alert dialog instantly. It's the quickest way to start creating an alert from anywhere on the chart. You can keep your focus on the chart, press the shortcut, and then confirm your alert details in the dialog that appears. As you work through these methods, keep your cursor placement precise, so TradingView captures the exact price you intend. If you need to be extremely accurate, zoom in on the chart before right-clicking or placing an alert. If you're attaching an alert to a drawing, make sure you've selected the correct line or level before right-clicking, especially when multiple drawings are close together. If the blue plus button on the price scale isn't visible immediately, hover your mouse over the price axis and it will appear next to the live price. To recap on screen, the top toolbar clock icon opens the alert dialog. Right-clicking. The chart adds an alert at an exact price. The blue plus on the price scale adds one at the live price. Right-clicking a drawing creates an alert at that technical level, and the keyboard shortcut Alt+A on Windows or Option+A on Mac opens the alert dialog from anywhere. Your price alerts at key levels in TradingView are now set and ready to notify you when the market reaches your chosen points. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.